I would like to thank all our diplomats sitting here and those who are not here, who have been very supportive of Pakistan's firm, fair, and just stand that this baseless propaganda and allegations against Pakistan by India about Pahalgam incident, sad as it was, Pakistan had nothing to do with that. And I'm extremely grateful to all those friendly countries who have been very helpful in promoting peace, ceasefire in this part of the world, and promoting all arguments, valid points for de-escalation. In that, I would like to once again particularly thank our brotherly countries in the Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, our brotherly country, neighborly country, Iran, our brotherly country, Turkey, our friendly country, China, and other countries. Please don't mind. I would like to extend my apologies if I don't mention other countries rather than later. And as a result, his path-breaking and strategic leadership, I think, did the trick and averted a very lethal looming war in this part of the world. And if, God forbid, if we had reached that flashing point in a region where 1.6 billion people live, and if, God forbid, if there had been a nuclear tussle, then just imagine who would have lived to tell what happened. Ladies and gentlemen, Allah Almighty has been infinitely merciful and kind. We can't thank Him enough. We have won the war, but we want peace. We have taught our enemy a lesson, but we condemn aggression. We want this part of the world to be as prosperous and progressive as other parts of the world through hard work, untiring efforts, and living like peaceful neighbors. Whether we like it or not, we are there forever as neighbors. It's all up to us to be unruly neighbors or peaceful neighbors. Pakistan has always preferred and has always argued that we want peace in the region because we have fought 3 wars and it solved nothing, rather brought more poverty, unemployment, and other problems on both sides. So the lesson is that we have to sit down on the table like peaceful neighbors and settle our outstanding issues, including Jammu and Kashmir. Without resolving these issues, I don't think we will have peace in this part of the world on a long-term basis. If we want permanent peace, then we need permanent solutions of Jammu and Kashmir, water distribution. Then, once we resolve these issues, sky is the limit. We can then talk of trade, we can talk of exchange of business communities, delegations, and of course also cooperate in the field of counter-terrorism. As of now, Pakistan is the biggest victim of terrorism. We have paid valuable human lives to the tune of 90,000 Pakistanis. 90,000. When was the last time any nation in the world had paid even a fraction of this sacrifice, let alone 90,000 people? We have lost $150,000 billion worth economic losses. Which nation has suffered this kind of economic losses? So I think what I'm saying is that we are not fighting this menace just to restore peace in Pakistan. It is for the world at large. Imagine if our brave armed forces, our soldiers, our officers had not engaged them, these terrorists would be roaming around in the streets of various parts of the world. So I think the world has to acknowledge Pakistan's sacrifices. The world has to acknowledge what suffering we have passed through.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।